What up guys, I got a product review for you today. This is the KECO K-Bar Collision Kit number 1. It comes with everything you see here on the table except a few accessories that I added. I added this U-bolt here and I added this eyelet, and this came as a promotion when I bought it. It's a caddy for all these things right here. Okay guys, so let's get started. Let's talk about first things first. Quality of this tool. I love the durability of these tabs here. I've pulled on these things with a 5-pound slide hammer and had no issues with any of these at all. Second thing I like about this thing is the finish on the accessories for the K-bar and the K-bar finish itself. It's excellent. I haven't seen any chipping, any flaking, anything that would indicate that it was just poorly done. It's really well done. The next thing I like about it is the lightweight feel of the K-bar itself. It's easy to handle a hammer in one hand and pull with the K-bar in the other and use it to relieve stress on the metal anywhere you need to do it. It's great. The second thing I want to talk about, guys, is the use for this tool. It's great for sheet metal pulls on rocker panels, quarter panels, B-pillars, door jambs, doors, and whatever you guys can find it useful for. There's no wrong way to think outside of the box, and whatever makes a safe repair, I mean, go for it, guys. If you got an imagination, that makes this tool even better. Okay, so let's talk about the third thing. I want to talk about the pros and the cons. So the pros, this thing prevents corrosion to the backside of the panel, unlike the weld-on pulling tools. Those tools are great, but you can't achieve corrosion protection on something that you can't get to. And that's gonna be one of the hardest things to do when you have to pull something in an area where you really can't see and you're not sure if you got corrosion protection. So that's a great thing about this, is you can keep the factory corrosion protection behind it and know that you're good. And the next is you can achieve paintless dent repair with this. With practice, you get a dent in the middle of the door, you don't want to blend the back door, you can fix it no problem with this tool, just a little bit of practice. So let's talk about the cons, guys. So there is a learning curve to the glue, and trying to figure that out and how it responds in your climate and your weather conditions, that's a pain in the butt. But once you get it, it's no problem. I had both glues that came with this kit. There's two glues. There's a green glue and a clear glue. The clear glue is called Cam Auto glue. The green glue is the Burrow Cactus Green. It's not my favorite. I definitely like the Cam Auto glue better. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's all I can think of as a con, is the learning curve for the glue. This is an awesome tool investment for anybody who buys it. You practice with it, you get better with it, and you will be extremely happy with your purchase. I am. This brings me to my fourth point, guys. Why I bought this tool. Things are changing in this industry, and it's getting different every day. All of you know that. We all know that we want to put the safest and best repairs out on the road, because it could be your family or your friends that get behind the wheel of that car. And I think glue pulling is a great step in the right direction for preventing corrosion issues on vehicles, especially because of the way that they react in accidents, and they rely on every piece of that vehicle doing what it was made to do in an accident. Milliseconds can mean everything when airbags don't fire right, because the space sensors in a door have less space because of a previous repair. All this being said, guys, remember, it's what the OEM says can be repaired and what should be replaced. That's why we repair the vehicle the way the OEM wants us to repair it, so that lives will be saved. Remember, guys, we are actually in the business of saving lives and preventing death when possible. Thanks for watching, guys. Give me a like on this video. Follow me for more collision related content, as well as some custom projects that I have coming up that I've been working on. Comment on the things you'd like to see, questions, concerns. I try to answer all my comments. Thanks again, guys.